In Harris County, we're not afraid to get creative to help people in need. The inequities in our region have only gotten worse since the pandemic and through the increasingly frequent natural disasters. That's why we set aside a portion of the federal funds we receive from the American Rescue Plan Act to start a pilot program inspired by successful guaranteed income programs across the state and the rest of the country. But some state leaders in Austin are trying to shut it down. Now, Harris County residents are making themselves heard in defense of alleviating poverty, creating income security, and defending a promising and innovative program that can help people make ends meet. I hope their powerful voices will move and inspire you to support this program as we fight to deliver the help that people need.
We're talking about helping people. Since I've been here to Houston, I've never seen so much help that's offered.
As a Houstonian, I would like to see us take care of our community and the people who live there.
I'd like to see people have at least a chance to be able to buy groceries, to be able to do some things that we never think about as people with income.
I'm a welfare recipient myself. So whenever we receive any type of benefits right now, we never see any cash in our hands. We get a card that represents food. When they say that there's no way to give individuals cash, but it's okay to give individuals just food, that's just a misunderstanding of what help is.
The biggest thing is people don't have the money. I think about families. Whether you have one child or 4 or 5 children, it's difficult.
I think we saw during the pandemic that direct cash assistance to people is the #1 way of helping them out. People overwhelmingly spent money on medical bills, on rent, on food, on the things they needed just to survive.
We are the ones who know what our needs actually are.
Uplift Harris is a pilot program to see what will happen if we give some income to people who are struggling.
Just for me, it would be just to be able to just really buy groceries and definitely there to pay some bills. Hopefully there'd be something left over that can contribute towards rent.
Recently, I just experienced the possibility of having to move when my apartment complex wasn't repairing my leak. There's nothing that pays for that. So there are just all these gaps in our social safety nets that can't be met. And cash can meet all of them.
I think it's an ongoing program that we're going to find that it needs to be ongoing. And I think right now also that a lot of people are still recovering from what the pandemic did to their lives. People that are paid by the hour, didn't work during some of that time. Their businesses have shut down. They don't have jobs at all right now, and they're still struggling to get back on their feet.
It came via text message. I was still so shocked that when I called, I said, this is unreal. They gave me a card, and I'm telling you, no sooner I walked out the facility, phone went off, got a message that Ken Paxton had filed suit. It's just sad that it went as far as it has, and people are still being left out, trying to put things together. It's a stalemate. We're standing, waiting to see what possibly is going to happen. And, I still volunteer to help people and get to help myself.
I would like to see the Legislative Committee on Local Government come out strongly in favor of Uplift Harris. I think that it's a policy that is cutting edge, and I think that it will give us the best value for our dollar, and I think it will help the people in our community who are in the most need.
There's a lot of people that need the assistance that's already been used in Texas, and we're trying to help people, okay? That's what this whole country's been about, and that's what the city of Houston and that's what Harris County is about.
Guaranteed income is about helping people. That's why we must continue to defend policies like this that uplift residents in need of assistance. Help us make sure the Harris County Prosperity Program stays on track. Thank you.